In phase 1, establish the security capabilities in step-by-step related to handshake protocol we are discussing now. In phase 1, establish the security capabilities. This phase is used to initiate a logical connection and to establish the security capabilities that will be associated with it. The exchange is initiated by the client, which sends the client hello message with the following parameters. Whenever we are sending any one message, you will be having so many parameters which are present in that message. Okay, which will represent what type of information we are sending, what is the version of transmission method, what is the data we are transmitting, everything will be present in each and every message. If we are going for client hello message, in that you have a parameter of version random. In version, the highest SSL version understood by the client will be present. If we are going for random, a client generated random structure consisting of a 32-bit timestamp and 28 bytes generated by a secure random number generator. These values serve as nonces and are used during key exchange to prevent replay attack. To prevent replay attack, you will be having one random number which is generated from the client to the server. Okay, you will be having 32-bit timestamp and 28 bytes which is generated by the secure random number generator. And you will be having session ID, a variable length session identifier. A non-zero value indicates that the client wishes to update the parameters of an existing connection or to create a new connection on this session. A zero value indicates that the client wishes to establish a new connection on a new session. Whenever the new session has been generated, if any zero value has been transmitted as a session ID, then it will show that you have to create a new connection for new session. And Cipher Suit, this is a list that contains the combination of cryptographic algorithms supported by the client is in decreasing order of preference. Each element of the list, that is each cipher suit, defines both a key exchange algorithm and a cipher specification also. That is cipher suit. Compression method. This is a list of compression methods the client supports. Here you can see the list of message types and handshake protocol message type which client will be supporting. Message type is hello request, that will be having the null parameters. Client hello, that will be having the version, random ID, session ID, cipher suit, compression methods also. And server hello also will be having same parameters, that is version, random number, session ID, cipher suit, compression method, everything. And certificate, chain of X509 V3 certificates, and server key exchange, parameters and signature, and certificate request, type and authorities will be having the information in that certificate request. Server done will not be having any parameters, and certificate verify, signature will be verified, and client key exchange parameters and the signature will be transmitted. Finished, hash value will be transmitted at the finish section. In the same phase 1, the first element of the cipher suit parameter is the key exchange method, that is the means by which the cryptographic key for conventional encryption and MAC are exchanged. The following key exchange methods are supported, that is RSA, fixed Diffie-Hellman, empirical Diffie-Hellman, anonymous Diffie-Hellman, Forteza. And following the definition of the key exchange method is the cipher specification, which indicates the following fields, that is cipher algorithm, any of the algorithm mentioned earlier, that is RC4, RC2, DES, 3DES, DS40, IDEA or Forteza, And MAC algorithm is MD5 and SHA1. Only two algorithms are there, MD5 and SHA1 MAC algorithms. And cipher type, stream or block type, and is exportable, true or false. And hash size will be 0 or 16 for MD5 or 20 for SHA1. That is in byte terms. And key material is a sequence of bytes that contain the data used in generating the right keys. And of IV size, that is initialization vector size, the size of initialization value for the cipher block chaining encryption.